And the Sitaram Jindal Foundation facilitated 20 individuals and organizations with the S.R. Jindal Prize. The prize winners were handpicked from every corner of the country, contributing towards various selfless initiatives. Let's take a look.
Sitaram Jindal Foundation honors 20 outstanding selfless individuals and organizations with S.R. Jindal prizes in 8 categories, all related to social upliftment.
Shri Dipendra Manocha. Despite his personal handicap of blindness, he has been improving the quality of life of virtually impaired persons.
These handpicked winners are people who believe in giving back to the society, the real achievers who strive tirelessly to make their country better.
हर इंसान ला जिंदगी जियत देखूं, लेकिन वो जिंदगी जियो जो दूसरा के काम आए. अपन पर हर कोई जिंदगी जीते, लेकिन जो मजा दूसरा के काम में आए, वो ओकर से मजा कहीं नहीं.
It's not just an award, it's the recognition, it's the support for the work that we are doing. So both things put together, when it is coming, it's really, a very different feeling to any other kind of appreciation that we have had earlier.
I dedicate this to the service of Mother India. That has been all along with me. I have so much of agenda before me, so much to be done. And I have decided to work out a plan how to use that funds, really continuing my missions, which are incomplete in many ways.
From exceptional social service to rural development and poverty alleviation, they work silently and relentlessly.
It really feels extremely great, and social work, you don't see the benefits so quickly. So the sector needs a lot of encouragement, and these sort of awards, these initiatives actually go a long way in giving that push to these organizations.
We'll use this money for taking care of the children in one of our hospitals. We have about 10 hospitals, and probably in one of the districts we take care of the needs of the children, their spectacles, or some of them who are less privileged for all their surgeries.
Causes which are just unpopular. They're not photogenic, they're not mediagenic, they're not glamorous enough. And to be part of this whole prize, to even include something like mental health, that really goes a long way.
I think it's a very marvelous and wonderful initiative, which will definitely encourage many people, not merely the award winners, but many people who are in the same field and working like that. This will be great encouragement and motivation.
They are not just inspirational figures, but living examples of benevolence, dedication, and perseverance.